So this is a little experiment, just taking a small meatball, placing it on the grill. I'm just going to bring this down. So 2 minutes, cooked to 75 degrees, so it's just cooked. And it's retained around about 8mm thickness. So on this occasion we're going to go for 2 meatballs, 85 grams a piece. I'm going to place them equally onto the grill surface and see how they squash down. These are going to cook for 2 minutes. So nicely cooked, nice and moist still. About 1 centimetre thick.